Hi everyone. Today, June 16th. On June 16, 1963, aboard Vostok 6, Soviet cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova becomes the first woman to travel into space. After 48 orbits and 71 hours, she returned to Earth, having spent more time in space than all US astronauts combined to that date. Valentina Tereshkova was born to a peasant family in Russia in 1937. She began work at a textile factory when she was 18, and at age 22, she made her first parachute jump under the auspices of a local aviation club. Her enthusiasm for skydiving brought her to the attention of the Soviet space program, which sought to put a woman in space in the early 1960s as a means of achieving another space first before the United States. As an accomplished parachutist, Tereshkova was well equipped to handle one of the most challenging procedures of a Vostok space flight, the mandatory ejection from the capsule at about 20,000 feet during re-entry. In February 1962, she was selected along with 3 other women parachutists and a female pilot to begin intensive training to become a cosmonaut. In 1963, Tereshkova was chosen to take part in the second dual flight in the Vostok program involving spacecrafts Vostok 5 and Vostok 6. On June 14, 1963, Vostok 5 was launched into space with cosmonaut Valery Bykovskaya aboard. With Bykovskaya still orbiting the Earth, Tereshkova was launched into space on June 16 aboard Vostok 6. The 2 spacecrafts had different orbits but at one point came within 3 miles of each other, allowing the 2 cosmonauts to exchange brief communications. Tereshkova's spacecraft was guided by an automatic control system and she never took manual control. On June 19, after just under 3 days in space, Vostok 6 re-entered the atmosphere and Tereshkova successfully parachuted to Earth after ejecting at 20,000 feet. Bykovskaya and Vostok 5 landed safely a few hours later. After her historic spaceflight, Valentina Tereshkova received the Order of Lenin and Hero of the Soviet Union awards. In November 1963, she married fellow cosmonaut Andriy Nikolaev, reportedly under pressure from Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev, who saw a propaganda advantage in the pairing of the 2 single cosmonauts. In 1966, Tereshkova became a member of the Supreme Soviet, the USSR's national parliament, and she served as a Soviet representative to numerous international women's organizations and events. Tereshkova never entered space again, and hers was the last spaceflight by a female cosmonaut until the 1980s. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Daily Updates for more informative videos.